Good morning, dear parents and dear students. I am here again with a new English session. As we were doing subject and predicate in the last session, I have introduced basically what is a subject and what is a predicate. So, doing a bit of recap of what we have learned about subject and predicate. Subject is what the portion, the thing, the person, the place, the I just use the word thing, it includes everything we talk about. So the thing about which we are talking in that sentence, जो बेसिक जिसकी तरफ या जिसकी चारों तरफ वो सेंटेंस बनाया गया है, जिस वजह से बनाया गया है, that the thing that we are talking about basically जिस पे ज़्यादा emphasis है, that is subject. And the rest of the portion of the sentence is predicate, which tells and which declares what is the subject doing or what does the subject has or what it is. तीनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. या तो उसमें एक एक्शन वर्ड होगा which is telling, जो बता रहा है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, या उसमें कुछ ऐसा पोजेशन दिखाया जाएगा कि उस सब्जेक्ट के पास क्या है. I have a pen. So I is the subject. I have a pen. मेरे पास एक पेन है. So इसमें कोई एक्शन वर्ड नहीं है, कुछ भी काम नहीं हो रहा है. I am just telling you what I have. So it can tell the action which is happening. It can tell what the subject is, कि वो क्या है. This is a dog or the dog is my pet. This dog is my pet. वो क्या है, कौन है, ये भी बता सकते हैं. और it can tell the possession, कि उस subject के पास क्या है. Like I told you, I have a pen. She has a doll. He has a bat. So इस टाइप से. So subject and predicate, I hope that is clear to you. Moreover, the supporting video which I have provided to you, I hope आप सबने पहले वो देख ली है अभी, and I hope उससे और ज़्यादा clear हो गए हैं doubts. So now moving on further, we have some exercises on page number 9 of our grammar book. So that homework should be done. जो मैंने आपको कल दिया था, I hope वो page number 8 की exercises हो गई होंगी. I'll send the solution of the complete chapter because it's a very small chapter of 2-3 pages. तो मैं उसको collectively आपको solutions दे दूंगी on your WhatsApp numbers. But now let us solve exercise B on page number 9. It's on page number 9 and it will the video, the supporting video अगर आप मिस कर चुके हैं तो please पहले वो supporting video देख लीजिए and then move here. And in this we have to select appropriate subject. हमारे पास predicates हैं बहुत सारे. We have 10 predicates here. And we have to choose an appropriate subject कि इस predicate के साथ they can be more than one, बहुत से choices हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें बिल्कुल सही वाला जो हमें लगता है वो हमें fill करना है इसमें. Okay, so let us do it together. So dash gives us light and energy. Energy can be given by so many things around. बहुत सारी चीज़ों से energy मिल सकती है, but still that source which gives both light and energy, that's very common and we all know that this is the sun. So you will write the sun gives us light and energy. This is the subject. अब देखिए इस सेंटेंस में अभी तक ये मिसिंग था, तो हमारे पास ये नॉलेज थी या ये इन्फॉर्मेशन थी gives us light and energy की जो भी चीज़ हम यहाँ लिखेंगे वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमें लाइट भी देती है, एनर्जी भी देती है. मतलब फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया गया है हमें उस चीज़ के बारे में, लेकिन वो चीज़ मिसिंग थी, वो नाम मिसिंग था, वो नाउन मिसिंग था, एंड दैट इज द सन. I hope this is making some sense to you. कुछ समझ आ रहा होगा आपको. Now the next one is the dash was caught by the police. अब जो भी चीज़ यहाँ पर आएगी जो सब्जेक्ट मिसिंग है was caught by the police. एक्शन वर्ड है यहाँ पे पकड़ना, पकड़ा गया, पुलिस के द्वारा पकड़ा गया. कौन पकड़ा जाएगा पुलिस के द्वारा? It can be a thief, it can be a robber, it can be a culprit, it can be a murderer, anything like. ठीक है, तो हम सिंपल वाला चूज करते हैं. The thief, चोर, was caught by the police. The thief was caught by the police. तो आपको अब समझ आ रहा है कि predicate में it is about the information about the subject. कुछ information होगा subject के regarding, और आपको subject सिर्फ एक ऐसा word है, it can be a group of words, 2-3 भी हो सकते हैं, about which we are talking. इसमें हम thief के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना. The thief was caught by the police. ठीक है, इसमें पुलिस भी है. So अब इसमें जैसे मैंने आपको कल समझाया था कि if you are confused कि अगर suppose ये sentence पूरा दिया होता है the thief was caught by the police and you have to underline the subject, तो आप thief को subject समझते हैं या पुलिस को? I told you कि आपको फिर questioning करना है who what वाला, है ना, कि कौन या क्या. So इसमें अब इसको पढ़ेंगे हम. The thief was caught by the police. Caught. तो अगर मैं इसका क्वेश्चन पूछूं who was caught by the police, पुलिस के द्वारा कौन पकड़ा गया? सो द आंसर इज द थीफ. तो दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. इफ एनी टाइम इफ मोर देन वन नाउन इज देयर इन द सेंटेंस और आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि एक्चुअली सब्जेक्ट क्या है, बिकॉज उसमें 2-3 चीजें हैं जिसकी बात हो रही है, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट ढूंढने के लिए यू हैव टू क्रॉस क्वेश्चन. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ेगा कि हु और व्हाट, कौन, क्या, कैसे, और उसका जो आंसर मिलेगा दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट. ओके. सो डैश आर फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग हे. हे इज बेसिकली ड्राइड लीव्स एंड व्हाट यू कॉल इट, जो एनिमल्स को हम चारा जो देते हैं, दैट इज आर फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग हे. So cows are fond of eating hay, horses and so many more. So we are using a single like a word, collective word, kettles. Now I can also use kettle here, but R likha hai, that is why I am using kettles. Kettle is a collective noun for the group of like cows or horses which are like the so that is called kettle. Abhi यहाँ पे I have written kettles, that means different types of animals का group. It can be a group of horses also, it can be a group of cows also. So buffaloes, anything like that. So they are fond of eating hay. If I ask who are fond of eating hay, so आपके पास different answers आएंगे. So but one of this can be kettles. Dash was found in my cupboard. What was found in my cupboard? मेरे कबर्ड में क्या मिला था? It can be anything. Bunch of keys, my doll, my jacket, so anything. So if you see in your book, there is a little बहुत कुछ है उस अलमीरा में, कबर्ड में, but there I can see very promptly a doll there. So a doll was found in my cupboard. This would be my answer. Dash is the capital of India. Which is the capital, or what is the capital of India? That is New Delhi. So this is how you completed subject and predicate. So look at the predicate. वो क्या पूछ रहा है, अगर फिर भी just keep asking it again and again, तो आपको subject आसानी से मिल जाएगा. Dash sleep during the day. Who sleeps during the day? Yes, we all sleep, but more often. So we have the answer owls. दिन में सोते हैं ना वो लोग, most of them, not like they. Some are active during the day also, but most of them sleep during the day. Dash are worn during summers. Like now summers है तो हम कैसे कपड़े worn जब पहनना word आ गया तो obviously, so what should we like? Woolen clothes? No, we don't wear woolen clothes in summer, so we wear cotton clothes. And this is the very first thing told to you in ADA subject. Winter, summers, rainy, and what protects us, वो भी आएगा कभी. It's out there. Dash often returns late from office. वो ज़्यादातर, ऑफन का मतलब होता है ज़्यादातर, अधिकतर, वो ऑफिस से लेट वापस आते हैं. नाउ इट कैन बी वेरिएबल. आंसर्स आप बहुत सारे, इट कैन बी एनी नेम. तो नेम्स में तो आपकी बहुत सारी चॉइस है. यू कैन राइट मिस्टर शर्मा, मिस्टर वर्मा, मिस नीता, एनी नेम, और यू कैन राइट अ रिलेशन ऑल्सो. आई एम राइटिंग अ रिलेशन. माई फादर ऑफन रिटर्न्स लेट फ्रॉम ऑफिस. वो ज़्यादातर ऑफिस से लेट वापस आते हैं. ठीक है. डैश प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम गेटिंग वेट इन रेन. What protects us getting wet in rain? बारिश में भीगने से क्या बचाता है? What or which object protects us? If I ask this, my answer would be an umbrella. Protects us from getting wet in rain. Dash has a wealth of marine life under it. Marine life मतलब different types of marine species, fishes and all that. Plants, plant life is also underwater there. So किस जगह पर इतनी सारी वेराइटी है मरीन लाइफ की, है ना? इट कैन बी लाइक, इट शुड बी ह्यूज, एंड द ह्यूज बॉडी, वाटर बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड, yes, very good, you are correct, ocean. An ocean has a wealth of marine life. Sea also can be an answer, so I prefer ocean. I don't know why, but because it is a huge body of water and it has a variety of marine life under it. So let me recall the answers here. The sun gives us light and energy. It's very obvious. The thief was caught by the police. Kettles are fond of eating hay. A doll was found in my cupboard. They can be variable answers. They can also be variable answers. Kuch bhi, like you can write the robbers or the culprit, the murderer, whatever. So the New Delhi is the capital of India. It doesn't have any option. Owls sleep during the day. और इसमें आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? आप जनरली हमारे like humans we eat, so you can write, उसके लिए थोड़ा बड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा. I often sleep during the day. Often जो यहाँ यूज होता है, अधिकतर मैं दिन में सोता हूँ, so I often ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. Then cotton clothes are worn during the summers. my father often returns, इसमें बहुत सारे options लिख सकते हैं हम. An umbrella protects us from getting wet. इसकी जगह आप लिख सकते हैं raincoats or rain covers. This can be an option. An ocean has a wealth of marine life. A sea has. So quite a good exercise to do, and I hope you have done it with me. And now let's move to the next one. अब इसमें रिवर्स हो जाएगा. We have given some subjects there और हमें predicates लिखने हैं. So I'll get ready the board. Now in this exercise C on page number 9, we have to choose an appropriate predicate for these subjects. अब हमने फर्स्ट जो प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज थी उसमें हमने सब्जेक्ट्स चूज किए थे अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रेडिकेट. नाउ वी हैव टू चूज द प्रेडिकेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. सो लेट अस डू इट एंड यू कैन बी वेरिएबल विद योर आंसर्स. आप अपने आंसर्स 100% चेंज कर सकते हैं बट चेक इट ग्रामेटिकली. ओके, सो द प्रेसिडेंट. We can use an action word here. We can use some possession words here. So I gave you 3 types of things which can be included. तो आप तीनों में से कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. I will choose the first one, verb वाला. So the president, if I say वो कहीं late आए हैं तो I will say the president arrived late to the party. Okay, I am writing this. You can have so many other choices. The president delivered a good speech. The president inaugurated the store. They generally don't. And the president was not well. And the president campaigned very well during the. But the presidents don't do it actually. So you can have certain choices. The president arrived late. I am using an action word. कहीं पहुँचना to the party. Okay. So this is my choice. ठीक है? To the function, to the party, to the meeting, whatever you can add on and amend it. Kolkata is a big city, a very simple predicate. Is a beautiful city. Is a whatever city you can write. Is my native place. Kolkata is my favorite place to visit. Anything, like you can use anything according to the subject. Don't use irrelevant things. I must say, उसको check कर लेना that it should be in accordance to the subject. Trees. The basic thing about trees. Trees are green. Very simple. Trees give us oxygen. So let it be some scientific answer. Trees give us oxygen. Okay. Next one. The zoo. Zoo के बारे में कुछ भी बता सकते हैं. The zoo was very beautiful. The zoo was quite big. The zoo was crowded. मतलब बहुत भीड़ थी वहाँ. The zoo has 2 entry points or entry gates, whatever you write. Or exit or entry, whatever जो भी आप लिखना चाहें. मैं कुछ अलग चूज किया. Beautiful, big, ये सब हम लिखते रहते हैं. The parrot was sitting on the branch. Okay, the parrot was sitting on a branch. Again, I used the action word. इसमें मैंने action word use नहीं किया. मैंने उसके बारे में कुछ बताया है. Because it is a place, action word doesn't suit well here. Trees के लिए action word है give, देते हैं. The parrot was sitting, बैठा था. So wherever required, you can change your type of sentence. है ना? Christmas is my favorite festival, or you can write Christmas is celebrated in December, on 25th December. So whatever, like Christmas is my favorite festival. Then our examinations, subject है examinations. So now your examinations, so you can write our examinations are postponed, are not yet to come, and I will be writing our examinations will be held in July. Our examinations will be held in July, most probably. ठीक है ना? So I am writing this. Mothers. What about mothers? Like mothers. माई मदर हैज़, माई मदर इज, अगर ऐसा होता तो बहुत सिंपल था. मदर्स मतलब सबके लिए कॉमनली लिखना पड़ेगा. मदर्स आर, एज यू ऑल नो, फर्स्ट टीचर मम्मा ही होती है, एंड दे आर द बेस्ट वन. सो मदर्स आर द बेस्ट टीचर्स. आई होप इजी से चूज किया ना मैंने. यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग इट राइट. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं. एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो कीप इट सिंपल. इवन मतलब सिंपल रखो सेंटेंसेस को. वेन एवर यू राइटिंग ऑन योर चॉइस, जब आपको बोला जाए इवन इन असेसमेंट्स कि आप इसमें सेंटेंस बनाइए, सो ट्राई टू कीप इट वेरी सिंपल, बट ऑन द अदर साइड ट्राई टू यूज सम डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. Like if you are writing big every time, try to use some other thing like spacious, huge, giant. तो उसके synonyms यूज करने की कोशिश करो, लेकिन उस सेंटेंस को सिंपल रखो, so that you can you can just be little with errors, उसको कम कर सको, to reduce the errors or probability of getting errors ना. तो आप सिंपल रखो, लेकिन try to use more words, new words to it. A train, a train मतलब कोई भी ट्रेन. what a train does, it runs on the tracks. a train runs on the tracks. You can also write a train was like running on the tracks, अगर आप उसको continuous रखना चाहते हैं तो. an alarm clock, उसके लिए आप लिख सकते हो an alarm clock was there on my bed, was there on the table. An alarm clock is on my table. So any like is or was, an alarm clock was there on my table. मतलब वो अब नहीं है. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब ये है कि an alarm clock was there on my table, एक अलार्म क्लॉक मेरे टेबल पर थी, अब नहीं है. If you write an alarm clock is on my table, that means it is still there. Okay. So these are the choices which I have given. Please feel free to change them. I am very happy to see your responses. So this is the end of the session from my side. I'll be providing solutions maybe on Thursday. So I'll be giving all the answers of this chapter, all the exercises together. Okay, do it yourself first, and then you can amend if you want. Okay. So see you soon.